At Drivers Ed Direct, the safety of our drivers and students is our top priority. As a customer, giving you peace of mind about how we conduct our driving lessons is important to us. We have always taken the cleanliness of our training vehicles seriously. Since 2005, we've maintained clean vehicles that are fully stocked with cleaning supplies including disinfectant wipes and hand sanitizer. Today, we have significantly escalated the routine cleanings of our fleet inside and out. Prior to and after every lesson, our instructors will thoroughly clean all high-touch areas of our vehicles using EPA-approved disinfectants. Face masks will be worn by all instructors and students during lessons. If a student needs a face mask, we will provide a disposable one for them. Student temperatures will be taken and logged prior to each lesson. As always, we ask all families to reschedule their lessons if a student is not feeling well. To promote better circulation of air, all lessons will be conducted with the windows cracked or rolled down when possible. Together, we will continue to stay safe inside our vehicles to help promote safety outside, on the roads we drive. As always, we are committed to you. You drive us to be the best.